In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master project milestones in Asana, the complete 2025 guide. So whether you're new to Asana or looking to refine your project management skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it and create a seamless workflow that'll help you and your team achieve your goals. First, let's kick things off by creating a new project. After logging into Asana, you'll want to locate the plus icon positioned in the top bar. Give that a click and then select Project from the drop-down options. Naming your project thoughtfully and providing it with a detailed description aligned with your objectives is crucial. This initial step is the cornerstone of your workflow, giving structure and clarity to your upcoming journey toward achieving those all-important milestones. Moving on, it's time to set up sections within your project. Each section represents a distinct phase of your journey. By clicking Add section, you can effectively break down your project into manageable parts. This roadmap is vital in guiding both you and your team through each phase of work with precision and clarity. Now that we have sections, let's populate them with tasks. In each section, click Add Task to create the individual actions that are instrumental in keeping your project on track. Once a task is added, assign it to a team member and make sure to set a due date. Your tasks are the stepping stones that lead you and your team toward larger achievements, so assigning responsibility and deadlines is key. The core of today's guide focuses on transforming those vital tasks into milestones. For this, simply click on an individual task. On the right-hand side of your screen, there's a drop-down menu where you can select Convert to Milestone. Milestones serve as major checkpoints or achievements, allowing for easy progress tracking. They stand out as significant markers that help in assessing how far the project has come and how much is left to the finish line. Remember, setting a due date for each milestone is just as important as creating them. A precise timeline keeps your project's progress in check and ensures that every milestone contributes to a steady march toward your predetermined targets. So why are milestones such a big deal? They transcend mere task management. These critical markers signify pivotal success points along the way. They serve as a visual representation of progress, which, in turn, keeps the team motivated and inspired, driving them towards project completion. There you have it, the step-by-step on creating project milestones in Asana. Milestones are more than progress indicators. They are your reasons to celebrate achievements and keep the team spirits high. Now it's your turn to build a project filled with strategic milestones and experience smoother project management like never before. If this guide was helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.